Hello, friends. Today I'm going to do a mail call. I'm going to share some of the wonderful gifts I've received recently. So, the first thing I want to share is what Buckeye Kitty, Cat and Chunky got me. They put my channel name on this license plate. I thought it was a special gift. Guess where it's going? On my new e-bike. So I'm going to put this on back of that. So she also gave me a mask, a face mask, which is really cute with the kitties on it. You know, Buckeye Kitty and her kitties. I love it. It covers my neck. It kind of keeps me warm if it's cold. So the next thing I got is from my sister Annie. A lot of people seen Annie on one of my live streams, and she comes into the chat. So she sent me a card, and she sent me some homemade chocolate chip cookies, which I love. And she also sent me this little Christmas ornament. You can see it. It's cute. She made that. And her and my niece made these things. She sent me these little pot holder handle holders for the cast iron skillet. It goes on the end of the handle, so it won't burn myself when I'm cooking with the cast iron. You can see that it's really soft, furry, like velveteen, and it'll keep me from burning my hands. So I love those. She sent 2 of those. And then her and my niece, they made me some homemade dark chocolate walnut fudge. I love the walnut fudge. This is my 3rd piece. She told me not to wait, so I didn't wait. I decided I'm going to enjoy it because I haven't had homemade fudge in forever. So, she sent me 2 of those containers. Wonderful. Oh, good fudge. That's really good fudge. I'll probably have to finish this off. Anyhow, so thank you, Ann, Mike, Robert, and my little niece, which is Robert's daughter. I don't want to share her. I guess could be okay. Her name is Annika. She really worked hard with her grandmother to help me make me a beautiful Christmas gift. I want to thank her personally. So this is a gift from one of my subscribers, Pam Rogers. She lives in Alabama. She sent me a Lake Martin, Alabama t-shirt. She sent this one. It says, "I'm a nomad." And she sent this one. She made these for me. The name of my truck is in there, Delightful Freedom. And she put Box Van D on this shirt with glittery bling. I love it. They represented my truck and me. What a sweet gift. I can't say enough about this. I love these. Such a sweetheart. Thank you, Pam. Wonderful gift. Thank you. And they're all in size medium. I like them a little bit loose, so that's perfect size. Thank you so much. So the next thing I received is a card with a bunch of little stickers, little goodies. One says, "May all the moments of your life together be warmed by the wonderful love you share." Probably can't see that, but that's what that says. And an elephant card. And the card is beautiful elephants. This person knows that I love elephants. I had to leave my elephant collection behind. And sent me another card which says, "Perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. using the scripture Esther 4:14. So that's one gift. So he also sent me a $10 check to use however I want to, and I had to go to the bank to deposit it. It's a little complicated, but I managed that, and I really appreciate his kindness. That was from Richard Town and his wife. Then Finding Joy, Francie from Finding Joy, sent me this card. It says, "You are so precious," and a nice little letter in each of these cards. And she made these scrunchies for me. So I love these. So pretty, the colors. Turquoise and purple and gray. Beautiful. She did a good job on these. I can scrub my body or my dishes. Probably my dishes because my body is so sensitive. Then Blue Wave sent me one. He wanted to make sure I didn't feel bad that I couldn't make it to the Mayberry meetup. The blue ones, after it had been refrigerated about 5 minutes, it starts out white like the one on the right side, and then after you refrigerate it for a couple of seconds, it gets cold, it turns to blue, and you can see the Blue Wave emblem on the other side of the cup. And he also sent me some candy necklaces. He wanted me to feel like I got everything that everybody else did from them, so which I did. And he sent me a beautiful card too. And let's see, I can see beautiful with the mountains and the water behind it. And he sent me a little note. So these are all my friends, and I should say these are a few of my friends, and they send me lovely gifts. So that's my mail call today. Do I really want to do this? Do I have a choice?
You're gonna have to do it sooner or later.
I know, but I'm on the camera. I know. See if I can do it with my foot.
There you go.
I'm scared to death.
Good.
That's not going to be on my video.
It's good.
So I start pedaling and then turn it on?
Yeah, it's just just like you can. There you go. You got it, girl. You go, girl.
Oh. Wants to go all by itself. Not yet. Let me take it.
Hello.
Hello.
Good, D.
My first trip on my e-bike. Yeah, buddy.
Hold on a second. I just got here. Hold on.
So I want to thank my friends that sent me these nice gifts and my sister. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my first little ride on my Eco Trick e-bike. I will be putting out a video about that very soon. Anyhow, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Hit the notifications bell so you won't miss when I put out a new one. And I want to thank you all for watching it to the end. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, look at that sky. Beautiful.